The batch routine is used to execute a series of static simulations. This feature is handy for comparing multiple parameterization criteria. This tool will be demonstrated using a direct closed grinding circuit, as indicated in this flowchart. The objective is to compare different vortex and apex diameters based on the hydrocyclone's operating pressure and percent solids variations. The overflow P80 will be calculated and compared for each scenario. As seen in the table below, 8 tests were proposed. The batch procedure runs each test simulation sequentially. First, a matrix UMTST is created with the values to be tested. This matrix can be created directly in the software or imported from an Excel or a text file. Four scalars were also created to assign their values to the appropriate locations in the model. Then, USDA and USDV will be used to change the apex and vortex parameters in the hydrocyclone's unit operation. In addition, USPR and USPS are employed as set points for the pressure and percent solids controls. To build the batch routine, go to User-Created Objects, click New, and then select the batch object type. A pop-up window will appear for editing. Feel free to include the purpose of this routine in the description. The excal instruction is used to run the simulation. Leave it aside for now. In this APL code, the number of simulations will be determined by the number of lines in the UMTST matrix. Each line indicates a test that will be calculated. It is necessary to create a for loop for each of the tests to be simulated. Within F4, the values of each test are assigned to corresponding scalars for usage in simulations. Now, the excal instruction is used to run the simulation with the appropriate parameters. Finally, results are stored in the U-Murray's matrix for future evaluation. To run the batch routine, go to the drop-down menu and click Calc, then select RBAT Run Batch Program. In this case, 8 simulations will run for each proposed test.